This is Upscaled Studio, with an explanation video on what goes into digitally remastered footage. I'm going to show you a few examples on the process and the final result. First, we have the original black and white footage of the Imperial German Army marching in formation. So first, we are going to use machine learning software to colorize this footage. This is what it looks like in color. Second thing we are going to do is upscale the footage. Let's upscale the footage to a higher resolution and see the results. As you can see, the frame rate is a little high. These cameras were manually cranked, so the frame rate can vary drastically. Let's adjust the frame rate with some software and see the results. Now, for the final touches, I'm going to add some sounds to create a more lifelike experience. Let's see the final video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. I appreciate all your support.